Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Rainbow Six Siege and you keep getting this error, synchronization failed to synchronize data for cross-platform on your Xbox, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm gonna show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Rainbow Six Siege easily. So this solution you can do on any computer or even on your phone. So just open up your web browser on your phone and then search for Ubisoft login and then go to this website account.ubisoft.com, and here you're going to log in with your Ubisoft account. And once you're done logging in, you're going to click on to account information, and here you're going to go into linked accounts. So what you're going to do now is you're going to unlink your Xbox account, and after it's unlinked, then you're going to link it back. So what that will do is that will refresh your Xbox account with the Ubisoft website. So just go ahead and unlink and then link your Xbox account. Once that's done, you're going to restart your Xbox, and after it's done restarting, now you can go ahead and play Rainbow Six Siege, and you'll see that your game will now work correctly. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.